Welcome to the Book Art Studio at the University of Utah. Part of the J. Willard Marriott Library since 1995, the Book Arts program champions wide-ranging explorations of the book in our interdisciplinary makerspace for active learners from the campus, local, national, and international communities. In addition to our academic program, we offer non-credit courses and workshops to all ages. The Book Art Studio is also home to the Red Butte Press, where 2 hand presses and a large collection of foundry and rare metal type reside. These 2 presses, the 1846 Columbian hand press and 1882 Albion hand press, were donated by Dorothy and Lewis Allen in 1984 and became the foundation of what would later become the Book Arts program and Red Butte Press. The Book Art Studio has one of the largest university collections of metal type and antique photo engravings in the country, along with a sizable wood type collection. Trained university students, staff, and faculty, as well as members of the larger community, have access to over 2,000 cases of metal type, over 20,000 photo engravings, and approximately 100 cases of wood type. The studio is a working museum of 13 floor model presses, 10 mid-20th century flatbed proofing presses, and 3 clamshell platen presses. Built in the late 19th century through early to mid-20th century. The studio also houses numerous tabletop presses, 3 board shears, 3 guillotines, a Hollander beater, traditional and alternative printing darkroom, photopolymer plate maker, vent hood, etching press, risograph, large format Epson printer, dry mount press, backing press, plow, quick print stamping machine, Hammond saw, drill press, nipping presses, and tools for gold tooling, leather binding, encaustics, paper making, marbling, and multiple alternative printmaking techniques. The Marriott Library's Book Arts Studio is one of the best equipped university book arts facilities in the country. All that's missing is you. We hope to see you in the studio soon.